Welcome to Hacienda Selah. Some places are built, others are discovered. This is where everything comes together. Most people don't know what Selah means, but those who do immediately understand. Selah, to pause, to breathe, to reflect, to rest. And perhaps there is no better place to experience its meaning than right here. Welcome to Hacienda Selah, where you can relax, play, and reconnect with nature. Hidden among the lush mountains of Puerto Rico, surrounded by tropical forest, the gentle sound of flowing water, and the songs of nature. Peace isn't something you have to search for. It's already here. From the moment you arrive, you begin to slow down. You breathe a little deeper. You leave the noise behind, and you simply experience Selah. Hacienda Selah features two completely independent residences. Step outside and discover your own private oasis. Spend the afternoon in the sparkling pool, relax beneath the Caribbean sun, or simply enjoy the peaceful beauty that surrounds you. Here, time seems to slow down. Looking for a little adventure? Challenge your family to a game of pickleball, shoot a few baskets, or enjoy a friendly round on the private mini golf course. Every space has been thoughtfully designed to create moments you'll remember long after your vacation ends. As the day unfolds, gather around the outdoor cooking area, featuring a barbecue grill, a spacious preparation counter, and a sink, making outdoor meals simple, comfortable, and unforgettable. An additional outdoor half bathroom offers even more convenience, so you can spend less time going back inside and more time enjoying the experience together. Take the stairs and discover one of Hacienda Selah's most peaceful places. The upper sun deck overlooks the surrounding tropical landscape, offering the perfect place for your morning coffee, an afternoon conversation, or simply sitting quietly. While nature does the talking, inside the upper residence, you'll find a bright, open-concept living space, a modern kitchen, comfortable gathering areas, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, carefully designed to help everyone feel completely at home. Whether you're preparing breakfast, sharing stories after a day of adventure, or simply relaxing together, every space invites you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Downstairs, a second completely independent residence offers the same comfort, privacy, and convenience. Its own modern kitchen, comfortable living room, 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, creating the perfect balance between togetherness and personal space. Ideal for multiple families, friends traveling together, or guests who appreciate both connection and privacy. As daylight gently fades, Hacienda Selah begins a different kind of experience. The lights come alive. The pool glows beneath the evening sky. The tropical landscape becomes peaceful, quiet, almost magical. This is the moment when conversations last a little longer, laughter becomes softer, and memories begin to settle into your heart. Gather around the fire, share stories, laugh together, roast marshmallows, or simply enjoy the peaceful sounds of nature beneath the Puerto Rican sky. Because sometimes the greatest luxury isn't found in a 5-star resort. It's found in a place that reminds you to slow down, to breathe, to reconnect, to experience Selah. With 2 completely independent residences, 6 beautifully appointed bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and an additional outdoor half bathroom, Hacienda Selah comfortably welcomes large families, multiple couples, church retreats, leadership retreats, wellness retreats, family reunions, celebrations, and unforgettable group getaways. Whether you're celebrating life's biggest moments or simply escaping the routine, Hacienda Selah offers something increasingly rare: space to breathe, space to reconnect, and space to create memories that last a lifetime. Because some places are built, others are discovered.